Add 5 tablespoons black chia seed. Add 1 glass cold water. Keep aside for 15 min. Take a mango, orange, apple, pomegranate, pear fruit. You can take any fruits as you wish. Cut apple into small slices. Cut pear fruit into small slices. Cut the pomegranate and remove the seeds. Cut the orange. Peel the orange and cut each half into wedges. Remove the skin from the mango. Slice the mango into small pieces. Take 1 bowl and add pear fruit, apple, pomegranate seeds. Add orange. Add a mango slice. Add 4 tablespoons honey. Add chia seed water. Mix it well. Take 2 cups ice cream. Add 2 cups ice cream into fruit salad bowl. Mix it well. Add cashew nut. Mix it well. Healthy fruit salad with ice cream ready for serve.